Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to this week on Ninja Canva. I have something interesting packed just for you this week. So amazing. You know, we are not all born to be artists, but at that we still love to enjoy good at work. So Canva has a new feature now that has made it so super easy for you to convert your thoughts, your ideas, your imagination into a picture or a drawing or just simply a piece of artwork. All you need to do is to type whatever you are imagining and they help you bring it to life. Are you ready to see the magic? Let's go straight in. Simply click on the plus button, then scroll till you get to more. Scroll down till you get this image text to image. You click on it. Then under this text box, you enter whatever you wish to have a picture of. Like the example here, I typed in, the first try I made was a beach with palm trees. Then it will bring an option to click what you want. These here are just sort of inspiration for you to know the kind of things you would want to search for. So they are asking you to choose your style. Do you want a surprise me? Let them just bring it like a random thing for you, or you want it as a photo. Do you want this your imagination or the thought to come as a drawing, or you want it in 3D? Do you want it as a painting? Do you want it as a pattern or a concept art? So I chose the surprise me, and here it is loading. So just wait. Sometimes it takes a little while. So guys, can you see they usually give two options. So this is downloading, and this is the result it gave me: beach with palm tree. The images normally comes with text box, so I just want to tweak what I already have here, just adding the word. So here you can change the background itself. You can change the font of the text if you don't want it to another font. You can also change the color just like you can do normally with text. So here I just wrote Swiss Mother Nature. This is the second picture suggestion it gave me for the beach with palm trees. You can see it too. So it usually brings out two suggestions for you to pick from. This is the second one. You can see them. So let's go ahead now and try something else. So here I'm going to delete what I wrote earlier, and I'll write a new thing. So okay, I want to have a drawing of a rose flower in a pot. That was the suggestion I gave earlier, but I don't know what they found to be improper about those words, and it didn't go through. So I had to remove the pot and change it to another word. So I wrote a rose flower in a verse. That was what went through. As you can see here, they said we detected unsafe or offensive words. I don't know what that was. So, but I felt it was the pot. I removed it and changed it to a verse. And here, yes, I'll generate the image now. And let's see what we have. It's loading now. Yes, I'm waiting for the second image to load too. So can you see the two of them? I'll go ahead now and place them on my Canva. Here you can see this one has a vase and it's colored. So you can adjust it, you can make it big, you can add text as well. You can even change the background. This white background, you can change it. Yes, you can see here I'm trying to write a word attached to it. You can change the font to another kind of font. You can tweak it just to suit your purpose. This is a very nice feature, and I'm so glad we are having this now on Canva. So you can go ahead and try it out. Let me know how much you like it. So guys, that's all we have time for this week on Naija Canva. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. This is next week on Naija Canva. Learn to add a video to your text. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out once this video is up. Don't forget to subscribe, please, share, and like. It means a lot to us here on Naija Canva, and it also helps tell YouTube that the video is informative and is good.